Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into UVI Falcon and exploring how to add libraries. Falcon is a powerful sound design tool. Adding new libraries expands its sonic possibilities. Let's get started and learn how to enrich your Falcon experience. First, let's talk about UVI Workstation. Falcon uses UVI Workstation as its core. Any library compatible with UVI Workstation will work in Falcon. This means a vast universe of sounds is available. Now, let's discuss the installation process. It's relatively straightforward. You'll typically receive a downloaded library. This often comes as a .ufs file. Sometimes, it's a compressed file like a .zip that contains the .ufs file. Next, locate your UVI Soundbanks folder. This is where Falcon looks for its sounds. The location varies depending on your operating system. On macOS, it's usually in your user library, under Application Support, then UVI, and finally Soundbanks. On Windows, it's often in Program Data, then UVI, and then Soundbanks. Once you find the Soundbanks folder, simply copy or move the .ufs file into it. That's it for basic installation. Now, let's open Falcon. Go to the browser panel. You should see your newly added library listed. If it doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the browser. There's usually a refresh button or an option in the browser's menu. Sometimes, Falcon might need to rescan your folders. You can trigger a rescan in Falcon's preferences. Look for a section dealing with Soundbanks or library management. Clicking rescan will force Falcon to look for new libraries. If you still can't see the library, double-check the .ufs file. Ensure it's not corrupted and that it's actually a UVI-compatible soundbank. Occasionally, a restart of Falcon or even your computer can resolve visibility issues. Let's talk about organization. Keeping your soundbanks organized is important. You can create subfolders within the Soundbanks folder. Falcon will recognize these. This lets you categorize your libraries by type, genre, or project. Managing space is also key. Libraries can take up a lot of storage. Consider using an external drive for your soundbanks. Falcon allows you to specify different locations for your UVI Soundbanks folder. Do this through the Preferences settings. This is great for managing large collections. Some libraries require activation. This is usually done through the iLok License Manager. Make sure you have iLok installed and your licenses activated before trying to use the library. Now, you're equipped to expand your sound palette in Falcon. Experiment with different libraries. Discover new sounds and textures. Unlock your creative potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content. Your support helps me create more tutorials and tips. Also, leave a comment if you have questions or want to suggest future topics.